A free show at the Green Bay Botanical Garden this week may get you in the mood for spring.
Yeah, the garden will be featuring an Ikebana demonstration, and Angela Kelly joins us live to tell us more about it. Hi, Ange.
Hi guys, that's right. I'm joined by Kazuko Bressler. She teaches Ikebana here in our area, and so thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Good morning.
For people who've never heard of Ikebana, what is it and how would you describe it?
Ikebana is a Japanese art of arranging flowers according with regulations and the rules established many years ago.
Let's take a look at some of the finished displays that you have already. Can you describe how they're put together?
Yes, this particular arrangement is called Moribana. With the 3 lines, we will create a triangle space. The longest line called Shin, second longest one called Soe, last one here is Tai. When you connect all the 3 points, we create the triangle. Inside the triangle, we place some flowers.
Okay, so over here we have one that's kind of in the process.
Yes.
Why don't you explain, the vase, the vessel this sits in, this pin cushion, and demonstrate how this works?
Yes. Right now I am creating the Moribana. Moribana means to pile the flowers in the vase. And so I will put some flowers in a pin cushion, or we call it kenzan.
Okay.
And then once we put the flowers in, last thing we will do, we will cover the kenzan space so you don't see this pin cushion.
Can you tell me a little bit, Kaz, about the classes that you teach?
Yes, I teach Ikenobo Ikebana class in my house. And people can come. I teach Wednesday and Friday.
That's right, and you can come and meet Kaz and some of her students tomorrow and Saturday here at the Green Bay Botanical Garden at 11 and 1 on both days. She will be doing some demonstrations, just like what you're seeing now, but from 9 to 4 all day you can see some beautiful displays. They will also be featuring embroidery work and quilting work out here, which we're going to learn more about later. But we're not done with Kaz yet, because we're going to do some more arranging with her in our next segment. I just think this is so beautiful. It's simple, clean, very, very nice.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We've got more information on our website, you guys. For now, we'll toss it back to you.
All right, thanks, Ange.
Thanks, Ange.